Hey everybody, Jason here from West Coast Gardens, and I'm so excited. It's time to plant out my annuals for spring. Our nighttime temperatures are above 10 degrees and it's warm out. This location here is a full sun garden bed that's raised, which is ideal for making things cascade and bloom all summer long. What we're gonna do to start is we're gonna clean up this flower bed, we're gonna amend with some compost, and then we're gonna plant it with bright, beautiful, bold colored annuals. Once you've added on your topsoil or composted mulch, smooth it out so that you have a layer of about 2.5 inches deep. Before you plant any of your plants into containers or in the garden, make sure they're well hydrated before you plant. If they're not, saturate the soil, let it sit for at least a half an hour so the plants are really good and hydrated. For this garden, we chose a great cross-section of annuals, complete with wave petunias because they're going to cascade over the edge. We've got height with these cannas that bloom all summer long, along with this salvia, and the blue is going to set off all the different colors. The colors we're using is hot pink, purple, yellow, white, and blue. Starting with my canna lilies and my purple fountain grass, I'm going to place them in the garden so that I can see how even they are spread across. I only have 12 and I gotta get them in. What I like to do before I plant is place the plants on the garden while in their pots, so I can evenly distribute them for a very effective look. In this case, I have cannas, fountain grass, and salvia down the center row, alternating in between my cannas. And then for an impact plant, we've got full sun loving coleus, offset of each other, all the way down on each end. Now we're going to plant these plants in their place, and then we will add the petunias, bacopa, lysimachia, and lobelia. This lysimachia is going to cascade right over along the edge and create a very nice contrast to the hot pink and hot purple of the wave petunias. We've completed the garden, we finished the planting, and we've planted all the plants, spacing them out so they can grow in beautifully within 3 to 4 weeks. We're going to water them in, and we're going to make sure that we keep the fertilizer flowing right through the growing season. So the fertilizer I would choose for a garden like this, which are filled with heavy feeding annuals, is a super bloom fertilizer, something with the NKP of a 15-30-15. If plants are fed well, they will treat you well with lots of flowers, good health, and longevity through the growing season.